Fiesta, we out here. Already took this off. Coolant reservoir. Just connected to this. And what, you just yanked it off?
Yeah, you just gotta like pull it once it gets to the top. It's just kind of snug and it just pulls right off.
And then this is what we're trying to do now. Get this big old thing off of there. What size is this? 18s for these ones. And what is this? 15 for these 3. There's one little one back there, and that one. And that should be the passenger side. And then we'll do the rear motor mount down in there. And, oh yeah, and the catch can. But 18s for these top 3, and then 15 for these other 3. And that'll get your passenger side motor mount out. Make sure you jack the shit up. Get some shit under the motor so it don't drop too much. Okay, where's the fucking extender?
Oh, up here.
Damn, those are gonna be a bitch. I got it. There ain't a whole lot of room for that shit, damn. Oh, got it.
Is that all loose?
Yeah, they're all loose now. Weird. Got that one's hand loose, but you got about enough room for one turn.
Show off the future projects, bro.
The Z. Quick little mock up. How it's gonna go. Go in the car like that. Oh shit, dog. That shit's under there. Taking these off.
Should be these last 3 and then take the new one in.
Alright, fucking just took the last bolt off. Bitch is ready to come out.
Easy. Easy shit. Almost too easy.
Hey, look, it's fucking hella
that.
light. Damn.
Well, this ain't put together yet, but I'm sure this ain't gonna have nearly the flex.
For real, that shit's about
no.
That shit's about to be solid.
I'm about to be feeling the octane.
Alright, just got all these bitches torqued for the most part. Nice scuff mark on there. Just to personalize it a little bit.
Yeah, so that is one thing to note is the OEM passenger mount comes out to here, but this one will not use that mounting point. So you only have to mount it with 5 bolts. I guess 4 bolts and 1 nut. Oh, it's a little sketchy.
Look at that shit, bro.
Got about 2 teeth of cranking every time. Show off what we got over here. Just got these new wheels and tires, running some Avid ones, 17x8s, 225 plus 35 offset on the tire here, and then threw it on some cheapo racing coilovers with like negative 4.5 degrees camber on both the rear wheels, so got camber arms on the way to correct that out a little bit. Damn, you can see it too. Clear coat. Anyone with an 8th gen Civic knows about the clear coat. 3.5 inch hybrid racing cold air intake, and then 1320 header, and then skunk tube mega flow exhaust, and then got it tuned by Chris over at Arc Tuned here in Spokane. That's what we got going on here. So what's going on back over here? About done?
Just getting these all hand tight. Snug up on there.
Nice snug tug. Who needs torque specs? Be the rear motor mount we're after next. Pretty straightforward. Right here. Yes, sir. Alright, passenger mount officially in, ready to go. Reservoir back in its place.
That's what I said, it's just clips.
Just clips. Oh, just like that.
Push it in.
And you can still see it. Shoo! Oh, it's flashy, bro. Just see the red coming through, bouncing off the orange coolant. Imagine you're not supposed to have orange coolant. Just get roasted. When this light's on, you're supposed to have blue coolant, motherfucker. The Fiesta.
Okay. So, I was already on shit. Yeah, fucking take that mount off right up there. That comes out. And what you said there, 15s?
Looks like 15s and maybe a
Is it
17.
15? 14. 13.
Try that.
Got it propped up.
Well, I'm just gonna break them real quick.
Buff boys.
Maybe. Oh, okay, that one's fucking easy.
What about this one?
Alright, so the motor mount's out.
Mount Tune motor mount, that's what that was.
Oh, so it is aftermarket?
Yeah. Fuck that shit, we putting a fucking demo one in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit. Fucking probably recording my face.
You gonna get the bracket up in there? Oh no, we gotta get the bracket in there too, I guess, huh?
Oh wait. What the fuck is the bracket? Is the bracket need to go? Oh yeah.
Yup. Not bad, bro.
For real.
Easy. Way better than eBay motor mounts, bro. Catch can is next. Step one is taking off this hose right here. You just squeeze this little plastic piece and it comes off. Do the same up here. Maybe. And then there's a little clip right there we're gonna have to pop out. Building the catch can right here. Just pop this out. Catch can assembled.
Get in there.
Bit of a snug fit.
Yeah.
Damn.
So this goes here.
Boom.
There's one there.
Yep. Looking pretty mean. Alright, third take. Finally got the catch can in here.
Oh, yeah.
Not hard at all, actually. It only took, what, like 15 minutes?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, we're in the top hose of it up front here.
Just make sure you're
Back
out the
one.
bottom line under the top line. And then I just put the drain hose. I put it behind the CV axle in front of the subframe.
Yep.
I just zip tied it to the harness.
Yep. And this is, you made sure it's closed?
Yeah, it's closed.
But... Yes, sir. Quick oil change. Start her up. Feel these new motor mounts.
Let me grab the creeper.
Give some paper towels with you?
Yeah. Oh shit. Almost dropped the damn creeper. Got our fucking jack stand, the paper towels right here just in case she wants to try anything funny. Go ahead and fall on that. Where is your oil filter, my boy?
Is a way to fuck up the HN Civic's gotta be the worst car to do an oil change on. Cause it is a pain to get there. Although I think we're all good in. I'm as tight as I can get it.
Awesome doing on there.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we did the motor mount. We did this once upon a time.
Yeah. That cold air intake.
Cold air intake filters all the way down in there.
Gotta do this passenger mount next, bro.
Get that. Where do you get yours from?
I'm not sure. I've been seeing Hasport mounts is the main thing people be putting on Hondas. Low-key, Hasport mounts is what I thought I had for the rear.
Yeah, if you got a what gen is this? 8th gen? 8th gen. SI, what kind of motor mounts you running? Let us know.
Alright, cold start with the motor mounts.
Yep, motor mounts.
Here we go.
Oil change, catch can.
Oh yeah. Oh, you can.
Oh my god, guys!
You can definitely feel it a bit more though, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, definitely feels a little more just in tune with the car, I guess. Feel it in my feet. That's a success, I would say. I'll have to freaking take it out for a spin, see how it feels.
throttle just feels like a little more touchy too.
Yeah, I'm sure the throttle response is a bit better. Woo! Ready to rip now, bro.
Yeah, dude, I can feel that shit all the way through the pedals.
Yeah, dude, my feet are feeling it right now too, against the floorboard there.
Oh, dude.
Access port. Just waiting on downpipe, and then wait, are you getting intercooler first too?
Intercooler, yeah.
And then getting this boy tuned up. Feels good. Got the student driver in front of us. Please be patient. Yeah, definitely worth it. Although, I mean, that passenger one was a little pricey though, but I would say worth it.
Bro, fucking worth it.
I'm sure there are cheaper alternatives out there too if you really want, but I don't
You
know.
want that shiny Damon shit,
The
bro.
Damon. Yes, sir. Alright,
Oh,
another day.
hell yeah, dog.
No, first garage day really of the year. Since it's just starting April, finally getting warm enough to be out here all day. But let's see, both cars got oil changed, and then Fiesta got both rear and passenger mount, oil catch can.
Catch can, fucking. Yeah, dude.
That's it.
You gotta do the Subaru soon, too.
Yeah, Subaru will be coming up probably next, huh?
Yeah, hopefully.
Probably next time we'll pull up here when I get the camber arms. Fuck with those on the Civic, and then bleed some brakes on the Subaru.
Bleed the brakes, siphon the fucking gas tank.
Yeah, bro. The gas ain't been used in like 2 years at this point. Some braided brake lines that haven't been used. Just been thrown on there.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
stay tuned.
Peace out.